In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use memories in Perplexity AI to get smarter answers. Let's begin by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, type Perplexity AI. With this trusty search engine, we can easily access the Perplexity AI website. When you see it in your search results, go ahead and click on the Perplexity website link. This will take us directly to Perplexity's homepage. Here on the website, the first thing you'll want to do is create a prompt. Let's say, for example, you run a YouTube channel that specializes in sharing fun, fascinating, and surprising facts about life, history, and human behavior. What you want to do here as you enter that prompt is make sure to include the phrase, "Save that to memory." This little detail is crucial because it enables Perplexity AI to store that information for future reference, allowing it to provide you with more accurate and relevant answers that align with your interests. Now that you have your prompt ready, the next step is to click on the Submit button. Once it's submitted, you'll notice the results coming in, and the AI registers that you indeed run a YouTube channel with the given focus. It's like a playful back-and-forth chat with a friend who remembers your preferences. Now, just to be sure everything was saved correctly, we'll go through a simple check. Look for your profile icon, typically located in the lower left corner of the screen, and give it a click. From there, navigate to Personalization Options. In this section, you'll find a Memory section, and you'll want to click on Manage. Here, you can see all the tidbits of information that the AI has noted in its memory bank, verifying that your input about the YouTube channel has been securely saved. With this groundwork in place, let's experiment with using your stored memory in a new prompt. At the beginning of your next question or command, incorporate the word memories. So you might say something like, "Memories. Give me the most interesting and surprising facts, stories, and discoveries about life, history, and human behavior that people are talking about right now." This allows the AI to draw from the memory it's stored, alongside its vast pool of up-to-the-minute data, to give you insights that are both fresh and personalized to your past interactions. Finally, hit Submit again, and you'll receive responses tailored to your memory entries. By utilizing the Memories feature in Perplexity AI, you can transform the platform into a personalized tool that not only understands your specific requests, but also builds on them over time. With this trick up your sleeve, you're all set to navigate the ever-growing sea of information with precision and personalized insight.